type 2 diabetics, it's even better. You can actually, even insulin dependent type 2 diabetics, a lot of them can come off the insulin in a few months. We've seen this in clinical practice. And in fact, we do have randomized control trials showing that. It's showing that you can cure type 2 diabetes by putting someone on a ketogenic diet. That's the work of Professor Steve Finney. Like he's actually done randomized controlled trials with with large numbers, showing with statistical significance that you can reverse type 2 diabetes completely in many cases, and actually get insulin dependent diabetics off of insulin, right? So to the extent that this is actually in the diabetes treatment guidelines in Australia, and the Australian medical board have actually sort of railed against doctors advocating ketogenic diet for their patients. Now it's actually in the official recommendations for treating diabetics. Nice. is a ketogenic diet. So that just shows you how we've the progress we've made with this as well. But it's very, very, very effective.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's the good news actually to finish with that. Also, everywhere around the world, also, it's still not it's not recommended like officially, but they put it in their in the list of diets, like also in here in the Diabetes Association. And that's it's good news, but still, of course, like the official guidelines, also in my country and in Australia or in the US, they're still to rely on carbs, and to also that you can avoid hypoglycemia. So the doctors put you like on a higher baseline of blood glucose, just so you never get near to the lows. But then the tragedy is that you go with too high all the time.